Friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Bluetooth drivers on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Now guys, before you do this, you want to ensure to check if your computer supports or your laptop supports Bluetooth, right? So most of those laptops nowadays support Bluetooth, but in case you don't know, you can easily find out by looking up your computer model, and you will see description about your computer to see if the computer supports Bluetooth or not. And to find what kind of computer model you have, it's pretty easy. You can simply go and click the start icon here, and you simply want to type in system. You'll find system information. You can click on that and you will be able to see for the computer model, and this will easily go ahead and show you the computer type. So you can always look for the computer type, and you can easily search for that online, and it will easily tell you what kind of features so forth your computer has. So let's say you do that, you know the computer, and you see, okay, my computer should support Bluetooth. You can easily see that as well. If you right click the Windows icon here, you can simply go ahead and go to your device manager, and you should be able to see all those hardware on your computer, and this will show up whether or not the driver is fully installed correctly or not. If it's installed correctly, you will be able to see it like this and everything will look fine. However, if it's not, you will see like the question mark over it. And sometimes if it doesn't show up, you can go to actions and click scan for hardware changes. It will do a quick scan, and sometimes all of those drivers will appear. Now once you see that, you can go ahead and you can expand the Bluetooth, and you can see that it's currently Intel. So if you see like yours is Intel, then you know where to download those drivers. All you have to do is just go online and go to Intel website, and you can find the latest driver for your Windows 11 or Windows 10, and you can see the version that you have if you go to properties here. And once you go to properties, just simply head over to drivers, and you can see the driver version here. So as you can see, it's 22.23002 here. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to share a link within the description of this video so you can easily head over to the Intel website. I have it here, and as you can see, there's a latest driver available, right? So there was something released on the 25th of the 6th month, and as you can see, the latest version. So it's already a latest version than the one I have on my computer. So you can select between whichever versions you want. You can select the latest and then scroll down here and simply download the latest driver, as you can see here. So I'm going to simply go ahead and download this driver. Just simply click on it to download. You'll get a pop-up. You just need to accept the terms here by clicking on that, and as you can see, it quickly downloads. Now once this is done, you can either click on that or you can go to the folder. As you can see, let me move this over so you can see. I now have the file, and all you have to do is double click. If you can see over, let me go ahead and change the view by large. If you look at this, there is a shield, and it simply means that this shield means that it requires administrator. So if you double click on it, it will run with administrator, or you can right click and you can run this as administrator, right? You'll get a pop-up, just select yes, and it will start to initiate the installation with administration. So as you can see here, it gives a pop-up as well, and it says, are you sure you want to upgrade from the version that you have, right? You can easily go ahead and upgrade this by simple choosing yes, and then go ahead and click on next and allow this to install. Now as you can see, click next, accept the terms here, click next. Just go ahead and choose typical and just click install. I also want to mention as well, while this is installing guys, you can also go ahead and check for Windows Update on your computer, because Windows can also install this driver for you as well. So if you right click and go to your settings here on your computer, you can simply head over to Windows Update, check to see if you have any updates, and once your computer check for updates, you will be able to see if there are updates that are available, and you can update your computer, and this will help you to update to the latest drivers. This at times will also find the drivers for you, and it will allow you to install those drivers. Now let's go back to the installation as I was showing you. Now as you can see, it is finished. Now once this is finished guys, you can go ahead and restart your computer. For the purpose of this video, I won't restart my computer just yet due to the recording, but as you can see, it is finished installed. Now once this is finished installed guys, all you need to do, right click on your Windows here, go to settings, and right on the left hand side you should be able to see Bluetooth and devices, right? So you can also check to see if your drivers install as well properly by going to the device manager, right click, go back to the device manager, you will find Bluetooth there. If you expand it again and right click and go to properties, then drivers, you can see that I know of the latest driver update on my PC as well. So it is currently updated and it's working fine. So that's good. But once you're done, just go on the left hand side, click Bluetooth and devices. And from here, you can easily go ahead and turn on Bluetooth. All you have to do is just simply toggle it on. Your Bluetooth will be turned on and it will start to search for devices. If you have devices connected before or devices that you previously paired, you will see those devices as well. And you can add new devices. I have one device already there. I can just simply connect it, or I can add a new device by clicking add device and choose Bluetooth, and it will start to search for any other devices that supported Bluetooth that are currently available for me to peer to. So this is how you can easily go ahead and install Bluetooth device on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC and check to see if the version is fully installed correctly, and then go ahead and pair new devices so that you can utilize Bluetooth on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.